Hello everyone, I am here again with the explanation of the first stanza of the poem An Elementary School Classroom in Islam. In this stanza, the poet is being very optimistic and hopeful. He presents a solution to the problem of these slum children. So let's start. Unless governor, inspector, visitor. Here the poet appeals the governor, inspector, visitor and the rich people to come forward and do something for the welfare of these children because they are powerful in position. And the poet believes that only they can bring about a drastic change in their lives. And if they don't help them, these children will never be able to come out of their horrible life. Next, the poet says, this map becomes their window. This map here refers to the open-handed map, which shows the beautiful places of the world. This map is the same map that offers opportunities only to the rich people. अब यहाँ पोएट कहना चाहता है कि ये जो मैप है ये इन बच्चों की विंडो होना चाहिए इंस्टेड ऑफ द विंडोज ऑफ द क्लासरूम, और ये तभी हो सकता है जब इन बच्चों को भी बराबर की अपॉर्चुनिटीज आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड में दी जाए, और ये तभी हो सकता है जब रिच पीपल और पुअर पीपल के बीच का जो गैप है वो रिमूव हो जाए. सोशल इनजस्टिस, क्लास इनइक्वालिटीज अगर रिमूव हो जाती है तभी इन बच्चों को जो है बराबर के अधिकार मिल पाएंगे और वो अपना ब्राइट फ्यूचर देख पाएंगे, और तभी ये जो मैप है उनकी विंडो बन पाएगा. अदरवाइज क्या होगा? अदरवाइज दीज विंडोज that shut upon their lives like catacombs. नहीं तो these windows refers to the actual windows of the classroom. ये जो विंडो है ये इनकी लाइफ को उनकी क्लासरूम के अंदर उनको बंद कर देंगी. किसकी तरह? लाइक कैटाकॉम्स की तरह, जहां डेड बॉडीज को दफनाया जाता है. कैटाकॉम्स होते हैं अंडरग्राउंड ग्रेव जहां डेड बॉडीज को दफनाया जाता है और रास्ते बंद कर दिए जाते हैं. तो ये जो द पोएट वांट्स टू से दैट if these people don't help them, these children will not be able to come out of their dirty surroundings like catacombs. They will never be able to see their bright future. They will always lead a life full of miseries and sufferings. Next poet says, break, oh break, open till they break the town. The poet wants to say that these people should help them to break the windows of the classroom. These people should help them to break the barriers, obstacles of the dirty slum-like catacombs so that they can come out in the green fields and they can breathe the fresh air. And make their world run azure on gold sands. Means these children should be allowed to run freely on gold sand under a clear sky. Azure here means blue color. Blue color represents the clear sky, and it is also a symbol of freedom. Gold sand means सुनहरी रेत जो बीच पर पाई जाती है. So the poet wants to say that these children should be allowed to enjoy the blessings of nature. Next, and let their tongues run naked into books, the white and green leaves open. Means these children should be allowed to acquire knowledge, acquire education with the help of the white pages, with the help of the nature, as much as they can, without any restriction and without any check. The poet wants to say that there should not be any restriction, there should not be any check on these children. They should be allowed to acquire education and knowledge as much as they can. Because history is there, whose language is the sun. Sun is regarded as the powerful source of energy in universe. So the poet wants to say that if these children are given proper education, proper knowledge, they can create a history one day. Because education has the power and strength of the sun, and the poet believes that education is the only instrument to change the lives of these children. Let's now discuss the poetic devices. Here like catacombs here the poet has used simply because the life of these children has been compared to the catacombs. Next is here metaphor in this line because sun has been compared to the education. So students, I hope you understood well the explanation of the first stanza of the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum by Stephen Spender. I hope आपको मेरा ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको पसंद आता है तो please like, subscribe and share. And if you find any problem, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.